Good morning, everyone. Welcome you again to the online classes. Today we'll start exercise number 3.6. Now, this class is for the student of class 10. Okay, so let's start from the exercise 3.6. Okay, I'm starting from question number 2. 1 subpart 2. So, first question is 2 by root over of x plus 3 by root over of y is equal to 2. This is the first equation. And the second equation is 4 by root over of x plus minus 9 by root over of y is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 2. We have to solve the equations by any algebraic method. So first, put u equal to 1 by root x and v equal to 1 by root over of y. So if you substitute this value in equation number 1 and equation number 2, then these two equations will be converted into 2u plus 3v equal to 2. This is equation number 3, and 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 4. Now multiply equation number 3 by 3 and equation number 1 by 1. We have, okay, so if I multiply this equation by 3 and this equation by 1, then we have 2 3s are 6u plus 3 3s are 9v, that is equal to 6. And if I multiply this equation by 1, it will be 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 1. Now if I add these two equations, then plus 9v and minus 9v will cancel each other. Then 6 plus 4, that is 10u, will be equal to 5. That means u is equal to 5 by 10, which is equal to 1 by 2. Clear? Okay. Now put u equal to 1 by 2 in either equation number 3 or in equation number 4. So if I put u equal to 1 by 2 in equation number 3, we have 2 into u, and value of u equal to half, plus 3 into v, that is equal to 2. That means 1 plus 3v is equal to 2. That means 3v is equal to 2 minus 1. That means v equal to 1 by 3. So finally we have value of u as half and value of v as 1 by 3. Now according to our consideration, we have taken u equal to 1 by root x. That means 1 by root over of x is equal to half, which implies root over of x equal to 2, and which implies x equal to 2 square, that means 4. Similarly, if you put v equal to 1 by root over of y, which will be equal to 1 by 3. That means root over of y equal to 3. That means y equal to 3 3 is 9. That means the solution of the equations are x equal to 4 and y equal to 9. So simple. Okay, so let's move the next questions. We'll do question number 4 now. Question number 4 is 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. This is our first equation. And the second equation is 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to our 1. This is our equation number 2. We'll solve the equations by elimination method. So for that, we'll put u equal to 1 by x minus 1 and v as 1 by y minus 2. So if you substitute u equal to 1 by 1 x minus 1 and v equal to 1 by y minus 2 in equation number 1 and equation number 2, then these two equation will convert it into 5u plus v is equal to 2, and the second equation will convert it into 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. So this is our third equation and this is our fourth equation. Now if you multiply equation number 3 by 3 and equation number 4 by 1, we have multiply this equation by 3 and this equation by 1. So if I multiply this equation by 3, we have 5 3s are 15u plus 3v, which is equal to 3 2s are 6. And if you multiply this equation by 1, it will be 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. Now add this two equations. So if I add, so minus 3v and plus 3v will cancel each other. So 15 plus 6, that is 21u is equal to 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. So from the last line, 21u is equal to 7, which implies u equal to 7 by 21. So 7 3s are 21, that is 1 by 3. Means value of u equal to 1 by 3. Now if I substitute u equal to 1 by 3 in equation number suppose in 3, we have 5 into u. So 5 into the value of u, which is 1 by 3, plus v is equal to 2. That implies v equal to 2 minus 5 by 3, which implies v equal to, do the LCM. So LCM will be 3, 3 2s are 6 minus 5, which implies v equal to 1 by 3. So finally we calculated the value of u as 1 by 3 and value of v as 1 by 3. So u equal to 1 by 3 and v equal to again 1 by 3. Now according to our assumption, we have taken u equal to 1 by 1 minus 6. That means 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3, which implies if I do the cross multiplication, x minus 1 will be equal to 3. That means x will be equal to 3 plus 1, that means 4. Similarly, if I put v equal to y minus 2, which will be equal to 1 by 3. That means y minus 2 is equal to 3. Means y equal to 3 plus 2 means y equal to 3 to the 5. Therefore, solution of the equations are x equal to 4, and y equal to 5. So this is our answer. Okay, I hope you understand. Let's move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy, and here 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. This is our first equation and this is our second equation. Okay. So if we multiply equation 1 by 1 and equation number 2 by 3, means we are multiplying this equation by 3 and this equation by 1, then what happens? 6 into 1, that is 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. And if you multiply this equation by 3, we have 3 2s are 6x plus 4 3s are 12y is equal to 5 3s are 15xy. Clear? Now you see that the value coefficient of x are equal and having the same sign, so we have to subtract it. Subtracting, we have minus minus and that will be minus. So plus 6x and minus 6x will cancel each other. So plus 3 minus 12 will be minus 9y is equal to, now plus 6 minus 15, that will be again 9 minus 9xy. So this minus and this minus will cancel each other. That means, and also this 9 and this 9 will cancel each other. That means y is equal to x into y. Cancel y and y, we have x equal to 1. Value of x equal to 1. Now if we substitute x equal to 1 in any equation, either in 1 or in 2, we have, so if I put x is equal to 1, we have from first equation we have 6 into x, which is equal to 1, plus 3 into y is equal to 6 into 1 into y. That means 6 equal to 6y minus 3y. That means 6 is equal to, so 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3y, means value of y equal to 6 by 3, which is equal to 2. Therefore solution of the equations are x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Now instead of doing solving this equation by this method, you can divide the equation by xy, and this one is also divided by xy. So if I divide by xy, then first equation will convert it into 6 by y plus 3 by x is equal to 6, and second equation will convert it into 2 by y plus 4 by x is equal to 5. Now if you take u equal to 1 by y and v equal to 1 by x, then these two equations will convert it into 6u plus 3v equal to 6 and 2u plus 4v is equal to 5. Now we can also solve this. So this is another technique to solve this type of equation. Okay, now let's move to question number 7. So question number 7 is 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equal to 4. And the second equation is, so this is our first equation, and the second equation is 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y is equal to minus 2. Let this is our equation number 2. Now here if you put 1 by x plus y as u and 1 by x minus y as v, then these two equations will be converted into 10u plus 2v is equal to 4, a third equation, and equation number 2 will convert it into 15u minus 5v is equal to minus 2. This is our equation number 4. Now if I multiply the third equation by 5 and the second equation by 2, we have 5 into 10, that is 50u plus 10v equal to 5 fours are 20. And second equation will convert it into 15 twos are 30u minus 10v is equal to minus 4. Now add this two equation. If I add, then this plus 10 and this minus 10 will cancel each other. So 50 plus 30, that is equal to 80u is equal to, if I add this, that will be 60. So u will be equal to 60 by 80. Now cut it. So 4 fours are 60, 4 20s, 4 5s are, that is equal to 1 by 5. Okay, and if I put u equal to 1 by 5 in equation number suppose 3, we have equation number 3 means 10 into u, which is equal to 1 by 5, plus 2v is equal to 4. That means 5 2s are 10, so 2 plus 2v is equal to 4, which implies 2v equal to 4 minus 2. That implies 2v equal to 2, means v equal to 1. So finally we have u equal to 1 by 5 and v equal to 1. Okay, so from u equal to 1 by 5 we have u means, look, we have taken u as 1 by x plus y. So 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 5. That implies x plus y is equal to 5. And value of v equal to 1. What is v? V equal to 1 by x minus y. That means 1 by x minus y is equal to 1. Means x minus y equal to 1. So if I take, this is our fifth equation and this is our sixth equation. Now we have to again solve equation number 5 and equation number 6 to calculate the value of x and y. So this is a very simple equation. This is 5 and x minus y equal to 1. Add them. So if I add them, it will be 2x is equal to 6, means x equal to 3. And if I put x equal to 3 in either equation number 5 or equation number 6, we have, okay, so I am putting x equal to 3 in equation number 5. So 3 plus y is equal to 5. That means y equal to 5 minus 3, which is equal to. So therefore solution of the equations are x equal to 3 and y equal to, and hence solve. Okay, so now question number 8, and that will be our last problem for today. Question number 8. Question number 8 is one by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. first equation. And the second equation is 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. This is our second equation. And we have to solve this two equation by any algebraic method. Now look, if you put here u equal to 1 by 3x plus y and v equal to 1 by 3x minus y, then these two equation will be converted into u plus v is equal to 3 by 4. That means 4u plus 4v is equal to we don't need to multiply. Let this is our equation number 3. And the second equation will be converted into u by 2 minus v by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. That implies, now if I multiply this equation by 2, so it will be u minus v is equal to minus 1 by 4. This is our fourth equation. Okay, so now write equation number 3, which is equal to u plus v is equal to 3 by 4 and u minus v is equal to minus 1 by 4. Now add them. So if we add them, so this plus v and this minus v will cancel each other. So u plus u, which will be 2u, is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. That implies 2u equal to LCM is 4, 3 minus 1. That means 2u equal to 2 by 4. This 2 and this 2 will cancel each other. So u will be equal to 1 by 4. Now if you substitute u equal to 1 by 4 in equation number 3. From equation number 3, if you put u equal to 1 by 4, we have 1 by 4 plus v equal to 3 by 4. That means v equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 4 will be the LCM, 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2 by 4. Means 1 by 2. So finally, we have the value of u as 1 by 4 and value of v as 1 by 2. And we have considered u equal to 1 by 3x plus y, which is equal to 1 by 4. Means 3x plus y is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so this is I think third equation. And if I put v equal to 3x minus y, which is equal to 1 by 2, means 3x minus y equal to 2. So this is our fourth equation. Now we have to solve equation number 3 and equation number 4 to calculate the value of x and y. Now look, equation number 3 and equation number 4 are very easy equation, and I hope you can solve it. Okay, so this problem I am leaving you as a homework, and our next step will continue from question number 2. Okay, and look one thing, I have skipped question number 1, 3, 5. So that will be your homework. You solve them and send it to our school portals. Okay, thank you. See you next time.